Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a how-to video. Think about it. How do you make a how-to video? I'm going to show you. For this project, you're going to need a few things. One, a device. That can be an iPad, Chromebook, pretty much anything with a screen. Two, you're going to need a camera on a tripod. An option is you can set up a tripod and a camera like this one, or you can just use your Chromebook or laptop camera. Three, you are going to need all of your supplies for your project. So if you're painting, you're going to need your canvas, you're going to need your paints. If you're cooking something, you're going to need ingredients and bowls. Four, you are also going to need a quiet space, if possible. You want to avoid spaces where you can hear things like dogs barking, or babies crying, or just a lot of noise in general. Shh, I'm making a how-to video. But if you can't, don't worry about it. Just try and be louder than the other noises that are going on in the background. All right, we got everything we need to make our how-to video. We're ready for step one. Step one, plan your steps. I recommend writing out what your steps are and maybe even writing out what you are going to say to the camera. Step two, set up your camera. Step three, record. Step four, state what you will accomplish, or tell your viewers what you are going to actually make or create or do in your video.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a how-to video.
Step five, state the supplies needed. So tell your audience, what are they going to need before they start this project?
For this project, you're going to need a device, a camera, all of your supplies for your project, a quiet space, if possible.
Step six, explain your steps. Clearly tell your people what they are doing step by step.
Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, Step 6.
Each time you show something, you want to make sure that the camera can see what you're doing. If you're mixing something, show the bowl, right? I'm making some brownies. If you're painting something, you want to hold up your painting. You might even want to set up some kind of aerial view, like if you have a tripod or something that you can set up the camera above your workspace. Huzzah! Step 7, edit, and then finally post. If you're using a Chromebook to edit your video, you can download apps like Magisto or WeVideo. Just Google video editing apps for Chromebooks for free, and you'll find lots of options. If you don't feel like editing your video, you can also just do a single shot. That's pretty much it. I look forward to seeing your guys' videos.